Open your Binance application. I'm going to show my top secret strategy. With this strategy, if you can master this one strategy alone, you should be making up to $10 to $20 or more on a daily basis. So here's my Binance app. Here the Binance homepage. And there's something I want to call your attention to. Here right now, if you come to this section, here we have the favorite coins, the hot, the gainers. We have the losers and the 24 hours trading volume. If you have some of favorite coins, you can add them here. On the favorites section, just click on the Add Favorites button. Now let's start with our top secret strategy. If you go to the hot coins section, you can see the coins that are hot right now. You can see BNB, BTC, and Ethereum are on fire. These are the coins that are doing massive move in the market right now. Lots of news on them, that's why we see this red fire icon beside the initials. On here, we have the gainers and losers. Now what is the strategy all about? It's very simple. I will simplify it so you can master it. So here, we're going to concentrate on the gainers and the losers. Now if we come to the gainers tab, these are the coin that are making money in the market right now. So here what you're going to do. When you wake up every morning, come to the gainers coins and watch each coin's performances. Look around for the coins that are just starting out gaining movement in the market. Let's say coins that are less than 6% gain. When you notice a coin less than 6% gain, buy the coin immediately. You can either buy them on spot trade, on your spot trading section, or you can buy them on your future trading section. I'm going to be talking about that. So if you don't know how to trade futures, check my other videos below on how to trade futures. You can also do this on any exchange. Once you come here and see, let's see this one that is 11% now, and you're able to see it when it was 5 to 6%. Then you buy on spot wallet. You pay, and then the percentage begins to go up. When the percentage goes up, you make money. It can rise to 25%, 30%, or even over 100%. Look how very easy this strategy is. You see this one coin, SSV, is at 10.79%. This one has moved up 12.55%. If I were able to catch it early, I will be in profit by now. Let's make a trade example. Let's assume this coin is under 5% right now. We click on the Trade tab here. Make sure we on Spot Trade. Now search for the coin to trade. Type the name of the coin.